Science is back again, and as always, it transforms the zoo into a magical nighttime playground, not just for kids, but for adults too.
It's my favorite part of it all. When you and me deck the halls, making everything look just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmasified. Disney bona fide.
And once more, we wander through the glowing zoo, this time with even more laughter, more sparkle, and a few first-time enchantments that caught us by surprise.
Does this come true?
There are no animals on this tour. Tonight, they rest while the lights take center stage.
Stick a label on saying do not open till summer comes. Right now, let's save it.
Our first stop, the festive forest in the prehistoric park.
Maybe hard to come by, so right now I'm gonna give it a try.
I feel like this is the most interactive walking tour here. Aside from the playful music playing in the background, you can also hear Santa's elves in the background.
To ignite the season. This message will self-destruct in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Everybody, strap on your parachutes. Don't forget the seats are also protection devices.
The whole scene feels like a movie set, complete with glowing pathways, whimsical lights, and imaginary elves frolicking just beyond the shadows. For a moment, we weren't just visitors. We were extras in Santa's magical realm, having fun along with his elves.
And so are all of you. Does this come true? And so are you. So are you.
Everyone ready? Yes. I'm a little rusty. Red! Okay. Oh, well, no, ready? My favorite color, yellow!
It's like a big sunrise!
Isn't that nice? Oh,
Amazing
oh, oh.
golden light.
And green!
Oh, good! What about lasers?
What about lasers?
You brought lasers?
Lasers! Okay.
Music, music, music!
Yeah. Cue the music!
Another dazzling highlight, the merry and bright tree display. were just twinkling, sweet, festive, innocent. But then, this happened. Suddenly, they came to life, singing trees with glowing faces, lips moving perfectly to the beat. Fun? Creepy? Honestly, I think it's a little bit of both. It's like stepping into a holiday musical where the trees are the stars and we're just lucky to be in the audience.
Dear Santa, tell him I'm still holding on. No need for diamonds or trips somewhere in the warm. Oh, 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 I know that mistakes don't melt like the snow. But if there's magic, let the north winds tell him so. 'Cause I can only wait and pray that hope will call me. Realize he's awful lonely. The only gift that means something to me. Santa, bring a baby back. I don't wanna lose him yet. I will hang up the mistletoe, and I hope his heart will know. Santa, bring a baby back. I don't wanna lose him yet. And I know if they call, it'll be Christmas after all. No holly, no silver gold, and the stockings bought his half for the show. Hear the laughing but my heart just looks, 'cause he won't fit in a wrapped up box. So calmly, I wait and I pray that he call me. Realize he's awful lonely. Only gift that means anything to me. Santa, bring a baby back. I don't wanna lose him yet. I will hang up the mistletoe, and I hope his heart will know. Santa, bring a baby back. I don't wanna lose him yet. And I know if they call, it'll be Christmas after.
Then we enter the Sugar Plum Station. Look at those tiny model trains chug through a miniature Christmas village. This makes you smile like a kid again, doesn't it? There's something timeless about it. We kept wandering, taking in the lights, the music, the unexpected little moments tucked into every corner. And then we stumbled upon a winter game that we can actually play. No sweat, okay, maybe a little pressure, but it was all pure fun. There were axe throwing too, although I heard they are not here every night, so if you catch it, consider yourself lucky. Now, we are walking into this tunnel of lights here, not knowing what to find, and at the end of the tunnel, voila! I am quite surprised and excited. I might have mentioned this before, but I've never ridden a carousel ever. Well, that's about to change tonight. The kid in me is happy and complete. Let's keep exploring, shall we? Here's the rest of the fascinating views here. If you had fun as much as we did, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.
Keep shining.
Happy wandering!